Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Students, today I will teach you how to find dividend if divisor, quotient and remainder is given in the sum. Then how we can find out the dividend? Yes, this is the sum of exercise 4.3. This is the sum number 3. I will tell you how to find out the dividend if divisor, quotient and remainder is given. So students, take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes, I will tell you part A of third sum. The divisor is 4 and the quotient is 6313 and the remainder is 0. And we are said to calculate dividend. How to find out the dividend? Yes, for finding out the dividend, there is the one formula that you have to keep in your mind, that is divisor multiplied by quotient. Divisor multiplied by quotient and remainder will be added in the product of these both. Firstly, we will do multiplication, and after doing this multiplication we will get the product, and in that product we will add the remainder, and after that whatever the number we will get, that number will be the dividend. Yes, see how we will do the calculation. Yes, in this sum divisor is 4, divisor multiplied by quotient. Divisor is 4 and the quotient is 6313 and plus remainder. Remainder is here 0. Here we will do firstly the multiplication. Yes, what we will get after doing multiplication? 6313 multiplied by 4. 4 3 is the 12, 1 carry, 4 1 is the 4 plus 1 5, 4 3 is the 12, 1 again carry, 4 6 the 24 and 1 25. We got 25,252. Here we will write 25,252 plus remainder, that is 0. Yes, after adding what we will get? 25,252. So this is the dividend. We got the dividend after the calculation like this. Yes, hope you have understood. See one more example relating to this. Part E. In this part, divisor is 9, quotient is 4166 and the remainder is 7. Here how we will calculate the dividend? That is divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Yes, divisor is 9, quotient is 4166 and the remainder is 7. Here firstly we will do multiplication. See what you will get after doing the multiplication. 9 6 the 54, 5 carry, 9 6 the 54 plus 5 59, 5 again carry, 9 1 the 9 and 5 14, again 1 carry, 9 4 the 36 and 1 37. We got 37,494. 37,494. After this, in this product we will add the remainder, and that is 7. Yes, we will add 7 now here. 7 and 4 11, 1 carry, 9 and 1 10, again 1 carry, here 5 7 and 3. Then what we got? We got 37,501. This is the dividend that we got. Yes friends, like these two sums you have to solve other parts also of this exercise. Hope you have understood. Do the calculations carefully. Hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.